What's up, everyone? Welcome to Programming Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to change the license plate light on a GMC Yukon. This is a 2015 here, but it's going to be the same on several different years. This will also be the same on several different GM models. So there's two license plate lights, one above either side of the license plate. It's going to be the same to get either one out. I'm just going to show you the one. So you want to take a flathead screwdriver and start on the outer edge of the license plate lens, and you'll see a little notch in there. You'll just pull that in, or push it in rather, and then it'll allow that to come down. So once you get that down, you can actually see the bulb assembly here. We'll twist that to our left about a quarter of a turn or so. That'll allow that to come out. To get the bulb out, you'll just pull that straight out. You want to wear some gloves or at least wash your hands or something before, because you really don't want to get any dirt or grease on that. So once you have your new one, you'll just push your new one straight in, line this up, tighten it up till you hear that click. Put the outer edge on first, and then just push up. That's it, pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.